हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू कॉस्मिक स्टार हीरोइन। आई डोंट नो मेरा चक्का गोल गोल क्यों घूम रहा है, बट घूम रहा है बेसिकली। बट वेलकम बैक टू कॉस्मिक स्टार हीरोइन इज ऑन CSH। सो यप, फार क्राई 2 बाय द वे अनाउंसमेंट। फार क्राई 2 मैं बाद में खेलूंगा कल। अपेरेंटली कुछ तो हो रहा है फार क्राई 2 के साथ। आई डोंट नो क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है। आई नीड टू चेक अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ फॉर दैट। वो नॉर्मली ठीक चलता है, रिकॉर्डिंग के वक्त बहुत गड़बड़ करता है। आई डोंट नो वाई इतना स्टडर करता है वगैरह। सो वो सब मुझे फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद में ही मैं खेलूंगा। बिकॉज आई वांट टू प्ले दैट गेम इन काइंड ऑफ अ स्मूथ एनवायरनमेंट वगैरह। डोंट वरी, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं कोई और गेम नहीं खेलूंगा। ओके, दोनों के अलावा वॉकिंग डेड है, इसके अलावा मैं और गेम्स खेलूंगा। मेरे पास ऑलरेडी शेड्यूल बना है। मैं एक और सीरीज़ कंप्लीट करना चाहता हूँ, वो मैं करूँगा इंस्टेड ऑफ फार क्राई 2। सो कंटिन्यूइंग ऑन, लेट्स गो एंड डीस पीपल। ठीक है। तो मुझे वापस सब कुछ याद करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली 2-3 दिन हो गए खेले हुए मुझे गेम। एंड अपेरेंटली सेशंस में खेलता हूँ। सो ये इंक्रीज इन स्टाइल, एक खुद का ही स्टाइल बढ़ाता है। बट एनीवेज करते हैं हम लोग। एक चीज़ मुझे पता चल गई है कि जब इसका येलो ये हो जाता है ना, येलो कलर आ जाता है, तब मुझे अटैक करना चाहिए सिंस इट रियली हेल्प्स आउट। आई विल ऑल्सो गिव चान अ बूस्ट सिंस इट हेल्प्स आउट। आई शुड एक्चुअली गिव उसको देना चाहिए मेरे को बूस्ट, बट व्हाटएवर। यप, गनमैन सी। एंड नाउ आई हैव द ओपी वेपन, सो आई एम रियली रियली मॉकसम। मैंने रियलाइज नहीं किया I have a pretty OP weapon right now, so I'm really going to just chill around and think so. I will restore. Yep, I need to restore. मेरी हेल्थ कम है। Oof, इसकी हेल्थ बहुत कम है। ओके, लेज अब इसका येलो हो रहा है, मतलब कि मुझे यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। वाटर विल बी अ वेरी यूजफुल थिंग लेटर ऑन। राइट नाउ मेरे कुछ काम का नहीं है, बट वी नीड टू टेक आउट पीप्स। आई थिंक सो। आई वॉन्ट टू टेक आउट दी निटल वन फर्स्ट, बिकॉज वो ही ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा दिमाग आएगा मेरा। दिस विल प्रीटी मच गिव एवरीबडी अ डैमेज, सो मैं वही करूँगा। ओह ओह, what the hell dude, that damage. Let me heal. Who should I heal? I think so इस battle में she is pretty useful. I'll heal her. I'll heal her. Yeah, I guess I want to heal her, so I'll heal you. And then next turn हम लोग वापस गनमेंसी का वो लाएंगे। ओह ओह, I want you to rest. I want you to rest too. Recharge abilities and recharge abilities. डैमेज खतरनाक है। रिस्टोर HP। ऑफ कोर्स खुद को रिस्टोर कर ले as much as you can. Okay, you will survive. Now you are brimming. Let's give you. Oof! Don't use convince. Use purification touch on him. Boss? Boss, इतू सा डैमेज? बस? Are you seriously kidding me? I think so that purification torch is useful when I'm using it on everybody. I need to see the skill. Like minute. Abilities. Chan. What's Echo? Okay, that's a pretty useful skill. Since I can use vigilance or rest, I think so that definitely works out in my favor. I think so everything else is fine here. What about Dave? So everything is fine with Dave. फ्यूचर में हम लोग को और एबिलिटीज़ मिलेंगे जो उसको हमको हिसाब से ये करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस प्लेस इज सीरियसली डार्क, आई कांट सी एनीथिंग। Dave, can you see about doing something out of lights? 1 second. No, look. The lights in the section are busted, but I identified something interesting. Hi, mysterious disembodied voice. I may have turned on the facility AI system and entirely intentional one part. I was getting tired and lonely, but then you showed up. I'll be your bestest friend until you get eaten by the monsters. It's a plan. Minus the eaten by monsters part. We're not really into that. AI, tell us more about these monsters. I really shouldn't since that's classified information, but since my owners are dead and we are good friends, I will. It's big dark, has teeth and claws, and it kills everything. Wait, what is in the top right? What is that? To the very right. What the heck is that? Those are two eyes. Those are literally two eyes. Are those go? I mean, there is a ghost thing in this game, I'm pretty sure, but still, I need to check every nook and cranny because apparently I don't want to miss anything. There was some here. I like how this game tries to spook you, but as I know, this is not a spooky game, so it really isn't going to spook me that much. Oh, there is something over here. Yay! More credits. What is this? Button refuse to change. Okay. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. इधर कुछ है? There is so much lag. I'll need to fix this. Sorry, अगर इस एपिसोड में lag दिख रहा है तो स्टटर हो रहा हो कुछ भी. Okay. ओके अगर इस एपिसोड में लैग या स्टटर हो रहा है ज़रा भी देन रियली सॉरी वो मेरे एक चीज़ करना भूल गया था और रिकॉर्डिंग से पहले कर रहा हूँ सो ओके सो आई कांट गो देयर जस्ट येट सो आई नीड टू गो देयर एनीवेज वो एक्सेसरी क्या है देखते हैं जो मिला हम लोग को अभी वेयर इज इट द आइटम्स इक्विप देयर इट इज द let's see jumps into a butter zone what does this do I'll definitely have that it helps out because we will be fighting a lot of robotic enemies I'm pretty sure about that nothing useful here but there is something useful here alright security guard really like to pirate games huh this security guard is very relatable huh very reliable security guard, you know. Not even joking. Stutter. I don't know. Maybe according के बाद stutter में करूँगा convert जब according को hopefully stutter ना आवे उतना. It should stutter but there are some problems with recording कि जिस तरह से stutter करता है. I'll fix it in the next episode. इस episode में fuck stutter कर रहा है तो. Then. That just got me in the wrong mind. Definitely kept something big here. Maybe that fed whatever was in the little container to this one. Not funny. I'm guessing ये यहाँ पे boss fight हो सकता है. Since this is a build up, kind of building up towards it. I don't know. Possibility है. I don't know. Everything is possible. Nothing here. There is definitely something here. Mad scientist could store a lot of mutagens in their vat is big. A whole lot of mutagens. Mutagens. Whatever you call them. Okay. That unlocked it. Oh, hi. Oh, yeah. I do want some experience. Hey, this is an easy fight. I'm not even gonna die. This is an easy fight actually. Yeah, this is an easy fight. कोई ये नहीं है, बड़ी बात नहीं है. I'm gonna try. पहले इस तरह से जाएगा उस तरह से जाएगा you can't do anything so just do that it's my purification pretty easy fight I think so मैंने कोई दरवाज़ा खोला I think so मैंने ये वाला दरवाज़ा खोला नहीं ये दरवाज़ा नहीं खोला मैंने अभी तक I guess that works fine. Wait, let's clear up this place, then we might find something maybe. Yo, okay, this is where I need to use my brain. Big brain time, alright. Inspire. Okay, that's done. Increase style, please. Okay, that's good. You know, Gunman G, 26, 24. Oof, damage. Body damage. But I have to hit somebody. Oh, maybe healing up is a good idea. I'm going to hit. मैं heal up कर सकता हूँ अगले turn पे भी. He's going to hit. You still haven't got that sign, so I'll give you that. Alright. Purification torch on everybody. Okay, you can hit Chan. Ooh. Time to heal up. Definitely. Okay, now is a good time to hit him. Almost. I shouldn't have done that. That was an easy kill, and I just gave shit. Should have used it on somebody else. Heal. Store HP on yourself. I don't know how that works. मतलब hack करके तुम HP से restore करता है, I have no idea. But I will have. No, I want you to rest. Okay, let's see. I can use water now. दोनों का health. Now the damage is real. What will that do? Okay, it stunned somebody. Ooh, this is risky. This is really risky. I will not take that risk. I heal Chan first and then use the gunman. See. Okay, your choice. Don't have anything to use the style points on. Shit. Okay, gunman see time. Gunman see. Damage! Damage कितना किया boy! Damage! Ouch! I'll kill that one. Easy kill है. Yep. Purification. Not a problem. I think so. This should be an easy victory from here. I don't have anything to heal him, so I should just bash. Yeah, this is an easy victory from here. Oh, I do have something to heal him. Heal myself. Heal Dave, and that should be about it. I think so. This should do the trick. Wow, itna kam damage. I guess bash it. Okay. Just stun. Kill. There you go. Easy. Well, always check every nook and cranny. Maybe you can get something from somewhere, you know. Nothing here. The beastie thing that the AI was referring to. Sorry, what do you think is glowing? Hey, ain't going to have a boss fight soon. And I'm gonna get past the boss fight as quickly as possible, and then we'll end the episode. इस episode में मुझे कम से कम boss fight करना है. Wait. Huh, interesting. Okay. So there were experiments done here. Pretty normal. Pretty normal. Experiments done there on humans. Pretty normal. Of course. Nothing over here, I guess. No. Oh, bazookas. Yeah. Are these robots evolving? No, it can't be. What are they to create? Hello, ID. Hello, konnichiwa. Oh, 1,000. What? मजाक है क्या? What? Oh my god, Dave को इंस्पायर करो, because शान को इंस्पायर करके कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. That will help Dave. I'm gonna increase your style. Purification of course. I'll use purification torch, because gunmancy करके मुझे कुछ फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. Bruh. Okay, use that. कुछ damage मिलेगा. Save up. Use Enviro hack. That'll be pretty useful, I guess. I'll stun him. Okay, pretty useful. Echo again. Repeat the last gunman's skill. Okay, okay, we are fine. Just do a bash since you have enough health to survive. Okay, use zap now. Wait, extra hit damage. Yep, that should be a lot of damage. I will defend. Okay, wait. अभी तक मेरा कुछ आया नहीं है. I do have health to survive, so पर bash करूँगा मैं. I will use stun. And I think so मेरा आने वाला है style. Oh, what? Just rest. I'll just use this. I can have a desperate. Okay, Dave is fine. Totally fine. Dave is going to get another one in another turn. So मुझे I should heal Chan right now. She is in desperate need of healing. Okay. Alright. Time to use zap, and I think so this should be the end of it. Yep. Okay. Listen. That was a pretty. Oh, I got a weapon. Let me see. Huh. This will give more damage, but it also takes away cunning from him, which is a really good skill right now. Hmm. It takes away 5 cunning from him. And it doesn't. It's 2 का difference है बस. No, equip. Do you not have anything else? Right, you don't have anything. You don't have anything else either. It is a good weapon, but I do prefer keeping the skill over the weapon. I'll definitely keep the weapon for now. मैं सेल नहीं करूँगा, but it really is like मैं skill को ज़्यादा prefer करता हूँ weapon की जगह. Because the scanning skill might be used later. Dinosaur? 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 Hello? Okay. I can jam to this. Okay. This is a cool song. Oh, this is first episode में भी यही play किया था, right? I think so. Anyways, I will be fine with Dave को नहीं दूँगा, खुद को करूँगा because there is second वाला ही मेरा So I will use that. I will increase Dave's style points and I'll use you. You are pretty much our कितना हेल्थ है इसका? वो एक मिनट कितना हेल्थ है इसका? Let me see. Okay, मैं डर गया, मेरे को लगा 7000 हेल्थ है क्या? I was like what the heck? मारूंगा कैसे इसको मैं? Let me use Enviro hack. Hopefully it stuns him. Okay, it's stunned him. Not gonna lie, I enjoyed them. Defend. Zap. अभी चांद की मौका है, but Chan will just attack with a normal weapon. I should have left the purification alone. Okay, wait. Let me give Dave this, because Dave needs that most. Dave, what will you do? Stun, because तेरे को एक और turn है आने को, so I can have you stun him. That did not stun him apparently. Okay. Okay, I'm fine. Is it weak to water? It is weak to water. Let's use that. Okay. Let me defend. एक और turn है. Chan को अभी time लगेगा, so let's use that opportunity to heal one of our party members. Good thing I healed her. Okay. Since I already know that I'm not going to use her right now, let's use that. Chan को अभी भी time है, but I can use this first. Oof. I don't like where this is going. I don't like whoever is going to get attacked by that powered up attack is. Oh, Enviro hack! Come on, stun him. I had to do that. Enviro hack was the way. Okay, water. So that's his weakness. Can I stun him again? Oh no, I need Dave for that zap. I want you to get. Oh! I'll use laser. I think so Dave is going to die, but let's go. Yep. Oh! Final hit kill, okay. Nice. Curses elements and increases element resistance. Okay. Why won't this thing die? Yeah. Look out! I think I got it. What? Okay, is everyone okay? Just a scratches. We actually beat it, but now we are separated. It's going to take a while to clear out this rubble. I think we are past the worst of it. Keep searching the lab and I'll find another way to rejoin you. Be careful. Okay. I think so this is where I'll end it. Oh नहीं मेरे पास अभी भी time है. Oh lol. I only like recorded 20 minutes of this. I think so मैं थोड़ा और progress करूँगा. I will progress a little more. थोड़ा सा और प्रोग्रेस करना चाहता हूँ मैं. कैसे I'm on my own now. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You don't do that to me. You don't do that to anybody actually. Oh, stun baton. Let's. Okay. Oh, the increase in damage. As much I hate to take this off, that increase in damage. Oh, huge. I'm having that. I'm sorry, but I'm having that. That's a huge increase in damage, and I want to have that. Oh, alright, let's keep moving. It's just a single guy. I think so we'll be fine. Okay. Since I know मैं bash करेगा पहले. Oh, plus it stuns enemies. I am going to enjoy using this. Ah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. That increase in damage is also. Oof. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy using this. I can't go through here. It may seem a small digit. किसी के लिए भी एक small digit रहेगा 9. But that's the huge difference when it comes to RPG games. कोई भी RPG game खेलो. Anything above 5 makes a huge difference. You know. There is nothing over here. I'm going to fight that thing. But first I need to see कुछ है क्या. Alright, fight. That stunned him. Okay. Let's do that again. And finish. Easy, easy. That stun button is really useful right now. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Hello buddy, let's fight. I like how इतने दूर तक आया है चलते चलते. I'm just thinking, what if the enemy is stun resistant? That's where this is useless. Otherwise, it's pretty useful. You just stun enemies and then attack. Like मुझे first मारना है खाली Alyssa का, not Alyssa, Alyssa का, and yeah, it's pretty strong. Huh. Wait, where am I again? Wait, what? Came back here. But मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं जाना है. मतलब दरवाजा बंद exactly. मैं देखा ही नहीं. I did hack the terminal. So this is going to take some time now. I need to find a way, I guess. Not over here exactly, not over there too. Oh! Wow! Oh! So I'm gonna be Chan right now. Okay. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Alright. This is going to be something. Oof. Alright. I'm going to have this first. Poisoned. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is bad. I never had. Okay. I have to use this one first. I gotta turn it up. Okay, इसका बन गया है. I'll use this on that guy. Now let's use this purification torch. Oh, this is easy. This is much easy. I know I can cure the ailments and everything, but let's just finish this quickly. I don't want to drag this out. Heal yourself. Heal yourself. I don't have anything, just defend. You too, just defend. Do that. Easy. Okay. Okay. Ew, what the heck? Okay. What exactly was going on here? Oh! Oh! Oh, it was Alice who turned on the lights. Okay. Oh wait, it was the AI, not even the AI, not even Alyssa, it was AI, lol. And there is something over there, but still. Ew! What the heck? Oh hey! Hi Alyssa! That giant monster fort is coming, that's not good, but if we can beat it once again. Alright, time to go for another boss fight, but before that, you know what we need to do? Check this out. 150 credits, fine money. नथिंग ऑफ यूज हियर. यहाँ पे कुछ है. हैक दिस. Laura Project Lumina. These files are really corrupt. Looks like it will have to do something. Okay. Alright, let's see. Hello. Hello, everybody's. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are going to have some fun here. Let's keep this guy out of commission. They could not stun? They could not stun? What? Let's just take this guy out because he's actually उनको पहले लेना चाहिए. They're poisoners. This is bad. Shouldn't have gone for the big guy first. Big guy is not a problem. He can be easily dealt with. The problem ये lies is कि ये poison करते हैं बहुत. Alright. I think I'll take these guys out first. Yep. Oh no, wait. I wanted to use Gunman C as well. Oh, the poison is. Oh! This is bad. These are only best guy. I think so. I'll use HP chain because no, I don't want to risk losing it here. Right. I'll also use HP regen on her since she's going to use that attack. Alright, big gun attack time, and we'll cure elements for everybody. Okay. Don't poison, bastard. You bastard. How dare you. Alright. Please get stunned. Thank you. Who's injured here? Actually मुझे heal करना चाहिए इसको. Oh, Dave is coming, right? But मैंने Dave का heal. Oh wait, Dave is recovering. It's fine. Oh. Okay. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay, wait. I should use this on you. Oh, oh no! Oh no! मैंने गलती कर दी. Oh shit! This is bad. मैंने गलती कर दी. मैंने गलती करनी. I didn't want to do that. Now I feel sad. The big guy is not a problem again. किसको ये करेगी मुझे पता नहीं है. What does this do again? If 25% for party recharge. I'll just get this guy out of the equation first. He is poisoned. Not a problem. एक poison के साथ हम deal कर सकते हैं. Okay. You know what? You just keep on increasing your style points. Not to worry. You now. Actually, as much as I want to use the second attack, I think I want to bash this guy first. Because this is important. Gunman C. Of course. Okay, she's poisoned now. Just kill this guy. We want to get the poisonous guys out of here as quickly as possible. Oh no. Heal. Wait, what? I just thought I killed a guy. Okay. He's still alive somehow. Okay, now she's poisoned too. Okay, I want you to heal yourself. उसके बाद में तो डिफेंड करना. I don't have anything to heal myself, so I'll just use this. As much as मैं क्योर करना चाहता हूँ, I have to use this on her. Useful. Okay, wait. Let me stun this guy first. Shavja. Okay, good. Use water since he's weak to water. Cure element on her. She's important. That's fine. I think so. चांद का काम इधर खत्म हो गया है. एक आखिरी बार पॉइजन को इसको ये करना है. उसके बाद में तो इसका काम खत्म हो जाएगा. Oh shit. Oh wait, I can do that. I can use it. Oh, what? 1 HP? भाई मजाक है क्या? 1 HP सीधा सीधा 1 HP. अरे भाई उसको छोड़ दे, उसको ही क्यों मारना है तेरे को? Please get stunned. Okay, good. Okay, this is going to be very tough now. I hope that the baton stuns him. Stun हो जाए. नहीं हुआ. Stun blocks. नहीं हुआ. Good thing I used the defensive shield. It will give me extra health now. 1v1, let's go. देखते हैं कौन बैठ. मजाक है क्या? मजाक है क्या? ये क्या मजाक है? अरे मजाक है क्या भाई? क्या चल रही है? What the heck? Oh my god. Change in plans. We are getting these two out of here as quickly as possible. Oh my god. Like literally I am getting these two out of here as quickly as possible. Oh my god. इनका पॉइजन इतना डेंजरस है ना, लिटरली मजाक नहीं है, खतरनाक पॉइजन. लाइक व्हाट द हेक. एक को स्टन कर दे किसी को भी. ओके लेट्स फाइन. यूज दिस ऑन दिस गाय. ओके टाइम टू यूज कन्वेंसी ऑन ऑल टारगेट्स. किस पे यूज करो, किस पे यूज करो? इस पे. ओके हीलर अप. एक ना एक पॉइजन होने वाला है बट नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. प्यूरिफिकेशन टॉर्च. ओह ओह इजी इजी. लेट्स गो. दैट वर्कड. इतनी खुशी मुझे. इतनी खुशी मुझे. इतनी खुशी. मैं हील कर. मैं शील्ड बनाएगा. मैं वापस शील्ड बनाएगा. पानी लगा उसके मुंह पे. पानी फेंक तू. ओके गुड. डू यू हैव सम? ओके यस. यूज दिस ऑन दिस गाय. यूज zap on this guy. यूज nothing. I'll just defend करना मेरा काम है. वापस डिफेंड and let's have Enviro hack again. Good. Now let me. I don't have a problem. तू उसको हील कर, मैं इसको हील करेगा. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. I wasted my opportunity to kill this guy, but whatever. Let's go. Easy W. इतनी खुशी. अरे भाई ये इतना हार्ड था तो बॉस कितना हार्ड होने वाला है. अरे पापा कितने बजे? लेट मी सी. I have like 4 to 5 minutes more. I hope boss हो अगला, because literally I feel like the boss is the next thing. This is a boss arena. This is definitely a boss arena. Oh, we have been watched, huh? Hello. तार चढ़ने वाला हूँ. कितना हेल्थ है? एक काम कर ले, एनवीरो हैक. गुड. एक काम कर ले, खुद पे इंस्पायर मार तू. थैंक यू. नाउ तू एक काम कर ले. पार्टी को डिफेंस दे तू. increase style points for the next big hit. Yo, I'm pretty sure इसका water है ये पानी. Now let's see you do something. Yo, this to her. मजाक है क्या? ओ मजाक मतलब मजाक है क्या ये? अरे हम ओके ओके. कौन सबसे लो है अभी? डेव सबसे लो है. क्या डेव हेडेड. ओह again water damage. Get that water damage to him. I think so I want a barrier now. Okay. Zap. Heal yourself. Oh, this management is going to be tough. Huh. Okay, do that. Oh, damage खतरनाक है इसका. Well, he's not a boss without any reason, you know. I want to hit a bash. Okay, use that. Purification. 281. Holy shit damage. Holy shit, ये मर गई. Okay. Now, how am I supposed to deal with this guy? I need to think carefully. Heal blast on this guy. Oh नहीं, इसको नहीं. मैं वो खुद को करना चाहिए था. This is bad. Okay, you can patch her up. अबे खुद को क्यों किया? अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. Okay wait, let me defend again. Okay, he's down and he's dead. But मरने से पहले मैं करेगा. Everything is on Chan from here on. Purification मारो. And then heal. Okay. Protective barrier. Heal. भाई क्या मजाक डैमेज है भाई. नहीं होगा. होगा ही नहीं. होगा इच नहीं. Okay, wait. We have to think this carefully. I will save the enviro hack. वो काफ़ी काम की चीज़ है. Right now इससे क्या होगा? स्टाइल बढ़ेगा मेरा. बूस्ट डैमेज. एक्चुअली मुझे स्टाइल बढ़ाना चाहिए अपना. पार्ट डिफेंस. ओके, जितना ये होगा उतना बेटर होगा. स्टाइल इंक्रीज राइट नाउ. ओके, वाटर. ओके, पार्टी डिफेंस अगेन. ओके, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. ये हील देगी. हील हिम. यूज दैट. ओके. बड़ा डैमेज. नहीं, आई थिंक सो मैं वो रखेगा एनवीरो हैक रखेगा अपने पास. डिफेंस डेट विल गिव मी स्टाइल एंड टू कर पार्टी डिफेंस. पार्टी डिफेंस इज रियली गुड राइट नाउ बिकॉज recharges abilities defend 25%. Yep, definitely need that because zap आ रहा है इसका. Water damage definitely. Party defense again, don't matter. Party defense is the most important thing right now. Chan is a defensive player यहाँ पे. Okay, heal because Dave का damage will be very important right. So heal him. Okay, तो तू वापस कुछ काम की नहीं है. तू पार्टी डिफेंस करते रहे हमारे लिए. राइट नाउ यू डू वन थिंग. एनवीरो हैक राइट नाउ सिंस आई विल बी डिफेंडिंग विद यू नेक्स्ट टर्न. तो एनवीरो हैक यूज़ करूँगा मैं. आई डेफिनेटली डिफेंड विल एलिस. इसका फुल हो गया है, सो आई यूज दैट, विच मीन्स इसको चांस नहीं मिलेगा अभी, डायरेक्टली डेव को मिलेगा, विच मीन्स डेव विल डिफेंड और यूज करना चाहता हूँ मैं, but I think so Dave will be fine. I think so. I'm not sure. So I'll go with water damage and protective barrier. It will give me defense. Okay, he'll be fine. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, wait. नहीं, खुद पे heal. We need heals. सबको heal मारना पड़ेगा अभी. तू भी खुद पे heal मार. पार्टी का डिफेंस अगला. ओके, दैट वाज बैड. डू आई हैव एनी आइटम राइट नाउ? प्लीज इन्फ्लिक्ट वल्नरेबल. ओके वेट. ओके, डिफेंस राइट नाउ सब डिफेंड करो. पार्टी डिफेंस. आई थिंक सो डेव मरने वाला है, बट आई वांट हिम टू डू एनवीरो हैक. राइट नाउ सब एलिस के ऊपर है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज डेव का उतना हेल्थ नहीं है. सो ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन कैसे एलिस को मैं कैरी. व्हाट, दैट वाज होली शिट डैमेज. ओके, सब एलिस पे डिपेंड है इधर. हील योरसेल्फ. ओके, वी आर बैक. बैक अगेन. डिफेंड. पार्टी डिफेंस देता है क्योंकि भाई मजाक है क्या? Oh my god, this is going to be one close fight. Can I kill him? Kill him. Kill him. Oh. Oh. Oh भाई. Oh, oh, oh. That was one intense fight. I want to save. I don't want to lose this progress. और मैं इसी के साथ यहीं पे एंड करना चाहता हूँ एपिसोड. That was one stressful fight, especially the ending. Oh, oh. Okay, I think so I'm done right now. मैं और स्ट्रेस नहीं ले पाऊंगा इस गेम का. Oh, that was pretty tough. Oh, okay. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में मिलूंगा मैं. राइट नाउ आई एम डन फॉर टुडे. होपफुल तुम लोग को पसंद आया हो इस टॉर्चर का एपिसोड. दिस वाज लिटरली अ टॉर्चर एपिसोड. ये पूरा फाइनल जो बॉस फाइट था वो था टॉर्चर. एनीवेज मिलता हूं अगले एपिसोड में. तब तक के लिए पीस.